My real name is Mmusi Mbule. I just want to share that like people that think I was born like this, which is incorrect. I was not born like this. I got an accident, I went to school in KwaZulu Natal, where I come from. I went to school, primary and secondary. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. Yeah, I went there. I went to a school name called HLA Juba. HLA Juba, yeah, HLA Juba. I went to HLA Juba, then 2023, no, 2003, I went to Thandeka. Yeah, it was doing standard 3. I passed, then I went 2024, 2004, I went, no. I went to Thandeka in 2024. In 2004, I went to there in 2004. Yeah. I was doing standard 3. Then I went to same school, same yard, standard 4, which is grade 6, I guess. And then I failed, which was 2005. 2005, yes, I failed. Then I repeated in 2026. Yeah, then in 2026, no, 2006, then I got an accident in 2006. Yeah, I just want to clarify that. I used to walk, I used to pop, I used to be forward, I used to, tease others, student. I would, what do you call, mock other kids, which is something that each and every kid they do now, I'm not proud of that. Couple of years back, I did apologize on my social media, and the feedback was negative and positive, yeah, which is, I was expecting negative though. Yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, man, just wanted to say that to those who don't know me, to those who don't know me that much. Yeah, dango, thank you, not dango, thank you so much for watching. I'm checking this microphone this weekend. If I keep saying, no, this boy is supposed to play soccer here. That's why I'm keep on staring at it. Yeah. Why you can't sit still? Like, be still. Like, why you can't? I lost the balance. When you got a body, like your body, all your organs, all your body parts are operating. Once you lose one part of your body, once you lose one part of your body, you lose a balance somewhere, somehow. It's either you'll be walking, and they call us cripples. We walk somehow, so that's why I'm like this as well, and that's why you see this. If you see this one, it's a part of I can't balance proper. Yeah, proper I can't. So yeah, man, I hope sometimes people could understand, because sometimes when I look at myself in the mirror, like, I'm like, oh, damn, I'm not looking good. I'm like, I just hate myself. But hey, man, I hope people, when they see this part, this I don't like this part. Like, I don't know, but I do have artificial hand, which is I look like a hunk. Is it a hunk? Like the person who exercise, like, when you see those people wearing a suit, like, they look like you can tell this one is streaming every day. I look like that, and from there I can't do anything by myself. If I have to bad my not bad brush my teeth, I can't. I can wash them, but to bend, like, oh, let's just put it that way, I can't bend. Because sometimes I urinate by myself. Like, I help myself to urinate. I help myself by taking something on the table, or going to the shop. I do it by myself. Now imagine when the hand is there. There's certain things that I'm limited. So yeah, that's why I don't wear it often. That's why I was like, man, let me be. I hate that one day I will find the partner, then I have to take out that hand and, like, what these days now? Is this a ghost or what? So I just wanna be me, be myself.